You're losing money. Fix these hidden mistakes before it's too late. Number 1, you're literally watching your money slip through your fingers every single day, and the worst part is you don't even notice it happening until it's too late. Number 2, that unexpected bank notification you just saw isn't random, it's a clear signal that your money is slowly disappearing without your full awareness. Number 3, your expenses are quietly increasing day by day, even if your income is staying exactly the same, and that gap is what creates financial stress. Number 4, these small transactions may seem harmless in the moment, but over time they stack up and turn into a serious money problem. Number 5, automatic payments and subscriptions are constantly deducting money from your account, even for services you barely use or completely forgot about. Number 6, hidden fees inside your statements are one of the biggest reasons people lose money without realizing where it actually went. Number 7, ignoring financial warning signs today may feel easy, but it creates bigger and more stressful problems in the near future. Number 8, every quick tap or swipe payment feels convenient, but this habit removes awareness and leads to uncontrolled spending. Number 9, your wallet doesn't become empty in one moment, it slowly drains because of repeated daily habits that go unchecked. Number 10, those negative numbers on your expense tracker are not just numbers, they are a reflection of habits that need immediate change. Number 11, when your expenses consistently become higher than your income, stress, anxiety, and financial pressure become unavoidable. Number 12, as time keeps moving forward, your money continues to disappear if you don't actively take control of your spending habits. Number 13, even losing small coins or small amounts daily may seem insignificant, but over weeks and months, it becomes a large financial loss. Number 14, every time you see a processing payment screen, that's another moment where your money is leaving your control. Number 15, one-click buying may feel fast and easy, but it removes the thinking process and leads to regret later. Number 16, late-night decisions, especially while scrolling on your phone, often lead to unnecessary and impulsive spending. Number 17, every receipt you collect is not just a record of spending, it's a reflection of your financial habits and decisions. Number 18, subscriptions may look small individually, but together they create a heavy financial burden over time. Number 19, price increases can hit your budget unexpectedly, especially when you're not actively tracking your expenses. Number 20, that surprising bill you didn't expect is usually the result of unplanned and unmanaged spending habits. Number 21, fuel costs may look normal at first, but without control, they quickly become a major part of your monthly expenses. Number 22, daily transport or ride expenses can quietly drain your money if you don't pay attention to how often you use them. Number 23, eating out regularly may feel convenient, but it costs significantly more than preparing your own meals at home. Number 24, that daily coffee habit may look small, but over time it adds up to hundreds of dollars lost unnecessarily. Number 25, choosing convenience over smart decisions often leads to paying more money for things you could avoid. Number 26, ignoring cheaper or smarter alternatives is one of the most common financial mistakes people make every day. Number 27, buying items that you already own is not just unnecessary, it's a clear sign of unorganized spending habits. Number 28, having a full closet but still shopping more shows how emotional decisions control your spending. Number 29, storage filled with unused items is not just clutter, it's money that you worked hard for but never used. Number 30, throwing away expired food is exactly the same as throwing away your hard-earned money. Number 31, high utility bills are often a result of small daily habits that go unnoticed but have a big impact. Number 32, leaving lights, devices, and appliances on unnecessarily increases your expenses without adding any value. Number 33, even small habits like charging devices overnight may seem harmless but contribute to long-term energy waste. Number 34, credit card interest is one of the biggest financial traps that can keep you stuck if not managed properly. Number 35, debt doesn't stay the same, it grows over time, especially when you ignore it or only make minimum payments. Number 36, constantly calculating expenses shows that your finances need structure, planning, and control. Number 37, when you start asking yourself, where did my money go, it means you've already lost track of your spending. Number 38, the moment you realize the problem clearly is the exact moment where real financial change can begin. Number 39, taking control of your money doesn't require perfection, it starts with one strong and conscious decision today. Number 40, cutting off unnecessary expenses immediately gives you back control and reduces financial pressure. Number 41, tracking every dollar you spend creates awareness and helps you make smarter financial decisions. Number 42. Saying no to unnecessary purchases is one of the most powerful habits for building financial discipline. Number 43. Saving even small amounts consistently builds real financial security and long-term stability. Number 44. Once you truly control your money, you don't just improve your finances, you completely transform your life. Like, subscribe, and share this video to help more people stop losing money and start building a better future.